Okay, now we have all our leaves on it. So so I hope you didn't have any questions about that. That was pretty easy to do. Now we're going to work on the thistles. The thistles are little purple flowers. So we're going to load up our number 12 brush again. We're going to load it in the violet pansy and the white. And I'm going to come here and blend it out. Push down hard the first time. 1, 2, 3. Pick up more white, more purple. 1, 2, 3. Not quite so hard the second time. Jab into the white, jab into the purple. 1, 2, 3. Now our brush is about 3/4 the way up. So I'm going to just jab into the white, jab into purple a bit, and I'm going to wipe off a little bit. Now I've got a nice chisel edge, and I'm ready to go ahead and go to work. Alright, this one is my thistle branch. Came right up the middle. And to do a thistle, my white is going to lead, which means it's going that direction. I'm going to stand, now hold your brush back. If you don't have it back here by P for plaid or a little higher on this little stroke, I'd like to make mine a little bit higher than the plaid, somewhere about where it says 1 stroke. Okay? So stand on the chisel, and you're going to do really lightly. You're not going to push down hard. You're going to stand on the chisel, and you're going to lean forward and flip it up. 1, 2, and then bring it to the side and pull that out. That one didn't get pulled enough. You can do 2, 3, 4, maybe more. Go back here again to your plate, pick up the chisel, pick up a little bit more paint, blend it on there, pick up some paint, and then dab that little bit off. Okay, you're just going to keep working on that, and you're going to pull it out. See how I just keep going, and I'm going to make it look like it so it's kind of rounded. So you just kind of flip it like that, flip it, or like sweeping a floor. If you've ever swept a floor, it's kind of the way. It's a sweeping motion. Okay. So I'm going to pick up some more. You can also use Dye-Dyed Purple on this. That's a lot darker. You might like that a little bit better, and it shows up especially on this background. And I got that one a little wide. And now see, I would like maybe a little more white in that. So I'm going to load up with the purple, load up with the white again, blend it on my brush, get a nice chisel edge, pick up some more white, pick up some more purple, and wipe it off. So I'd like a little bit more purple on that, or white on that instead of purple, because my background's so purple. So I'm just going to turn around. I'm going to make my purple lead and my white follow, so it'll be the one that shows up the most. Okay, now remember, you have to have your arm off the table when you're doing this. So stand up straight on the chisel, I pull and lean back. See how I get some white in that? Now you can keep going with this. So I put some white in here. Now I wanted this to be really full. Now remember, you have to just really lightly touch that. So I wanted mine to be really full, so I put some white in it. Now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do the purple again. And I'm going to have my white lead and leave my purple. So I'm going to put some more of that purple in. Okay, just kind of in between. See, I'm just flipping. You might want to practice that, okay? So you're going to do all of those. Once you do those, and I'm just going to do this one, and you can stop the tape right here and go ahead and finish your other thistles, but I'm just going to do this one. Now you're going to rinse your brush out, and we're going to come back in and we're going to pick up the green again. We're going to pick up the dark green and the white green and the light green, the fresh foliage, and blend it on our plates, loading our greens back up again. Now I realize I'm teaching this kind of fast, but you can stop the tape anytime. Okay, so now I've got the green again. I am going to turn my brush over with a light color leading, standing on the chisel again. I'm going to touch and lean forward and pull that in. Touch, lean forward, and touch and lean forward. And bring every stroke right down to the center. So I'll do that again. Touch, lean forward, touch, lean forward.